अगर आपने हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, इस पर आप क्लिक कीजिए और हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और साथ ही साथ इसके सामने एक नोटिफिकेशन बेल आ रहा है, इसे भी आप इनेबल कर दीजिए ताकि आपको तुरंत नोटिफिकेशन मिले जब भी हम कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करें।
দুইয়ের এ ফ্লোট একের ডি ছিল দুইয়ের এ ফ্লোট what would be the data type of the output obtained by performing division using that character, that is float? Question number 3. Let a equal to 5 into x in arbitrary, 101 in arbitrary, and b equal to 3 and 0 1 1 is in binary. Which of the following operation result in value 7 and 8? That answer is B. Answer is B, this one. Question number 4. Let x equal to 10, x equal to 20, y equal to 100. Which of the following expression result in true? This question answer is option number B and option number C. Question number 4 answer is option number B and option number C. Question number 5. Which of state whether the given statement is true or false when using the lower division operator? 2. If the result is negative, then the result is rounded off to the next largest integer. When this statement is false, option number B, when the statement is false. Or question number 5 answer is false. Question number 6. Let x equal to inches. Which of the following command converts the x float data type? And that answer is float x. Float x, option number C. Question number 6 answer option number C. Question number 7. Identify the incorrect or statement about Python keywords. Question number 7. Identify the incorrect statement and Python keywords. The answer is option number B. Assigning a value to any Python keyword through an error. Assigning a value to any Python keyword through a error. Question number 7 answer is option B. Option number B. Question number 8. Consider the following variable initialization. var x equal to quotation 5 plus 7j. The data type of var is Option was string. It's string. str. Option number A. Question number 8 answer is A. 9. Question number 9. Which of the following variable names are invalid in Python? Which of the following variable is invalid in Python? The answer is option number A and option number C. Variable star. That's why invalid. Question number 9 answer A and C. Question number 10. Which of the following commands display import sys into version? And the answer is option A. The string contains the version number of Python interpreter plus additional information to be compiler used. Option number A. Question 10 answer is option number A. Let's sum it.